Hi, my name's Andrew Masters and I'm an analyst at FIBO Group. In this video, we'll talk about the basic principles of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis. That's actually what moves the market. This is news indicators and indices that are published by the relevant speaking in a scientific fashion. Fundamental analysis has to do with the international economic, financial and political factors, their relationship and influence on the foreign exchange movement. Regarding the financial market, the factors that influence are divided into three categories. These are various force majeure, interest rate policy, and macroeconomic factors. This kind of analysis is more often used by traders that prefer long-term trade. The prediction is made based on the current economic and political situation. The traders analyse the commercial news and the focus on the events that may have significant impact on the world economy. These can be changes in the political life of the country or its economic health, information about evolution of various indices etc. Fundamental analysis takes into account everything, even rumours and expectations. In other words, this kind of analysis completely depends on the external and internal factors that have an impact on the world economy. Besides, one should be able to see not only the direct dependence, but also the relationship in order to effectively perform the analysis. For example, robust or battered economy of one of the advanced countries may have an impact not only on its national currency quotation, but also on the currency rate of its partner countries. Fundamental analysis should be performed by using the economic calendars, financial newsfeed, reports provided by different government data and non-governmental organisations. Analysis of the economic health indicators. The principal difference between the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis is that fundamental analysis is based on the provision that prices of currencies in the market are the reflection of supply and demand, which in turn depends on the fundamental factors of the economy. The followers of the technical analysis state that it is not worth seeking for the reason of change in the foreign exchange rate at all, and that it is enough to analyse just prices. It's assumed that it's impossible to find the reason of a price change prior to the moment when the market itself is able to include it into the price. In most cases, technical analysis deals with the shorter time frames from minutes to weeks. In these time frames, fundamental analysis is practically useless, except for one-its-kind news trade, because the fundamental data themselves come out weekly, monthly and quarterly. However, the goal of the analysis is to make the medium-term and long-term predictions in the Forex market. The investigation concreting the internal and root causes of the change in the exchange rate is required to be carried out. Only such type of analysis will give a chance to assess the prospects of the flow and supply and demand for the currencies. In addition, such approach will give the chance to the investor not to consider the short run, fluctuations market and noise. In the next video, I'll tell you about the important news indicators.